So I was wandering around my house and I thought,
Imagine how cool it would be if you were able to adjust the stats and traits of the plants and animals around you, almost like a real life video game.
well, it turns out we already are, and to quite a very special and breakthrough worthy type of scissors.
Throughout human history, we would continue to influence the life around us by breeding the dogs that felt the fluffiest or farming the plants that gave us the most food.
This is called selective breeding, and although we didn't really know the inner workings of what was actually going on,
It marks the start of people learning to adjust the genetics of living beings for our own gain.
it wasn't until we discovered the blueprint of life called DNA, or if you really want to sound smart, deoxyribonucleic acid, that we began to understand and manipulate these hidden instruction books that make up life. Put simply,
DNA is this manual that all plants and animals have in their cells.
used to instruct in development, reproduction, and certain jobs. And unlike those really confusing instruction manuals whenever you're assembling anything, DNA is very good in informing each cell of exactly what to do and how to do it.
Remove or snip off certain parts of the DNA, and you change the being.
So how exactly can we control what traits there should be and which ones should be? Well, that's through a brilliant new tool by the name of CRISPR Cas9.
Think of CRISPR Cas9 as this autocorrect technology that bacteria possess to defend their manual against edits from viruses. CRISPR is this page of genetic code, think words and phrases, that the protein Cas9 then uses to identify and eliminate mistakes, acting a bit like autocorrect scissors, cutting and snipping out the unwanted typos added by viruses.
Applied to other organisms, and this DNA autocorrect program can not only be used to detect and get rid of typos, but to remove and revamp any DNA from any cell.
Scientists have been able to hack Cas9 by switching out the code obtained from CRISPR with their own code, leading to the removal of the unwanted trait, while also leaving space for any revising.
With this, the possibilities are endless.
It could give rise to athletes engineered to have above normal muscle mass, or musicians with enhanced musical ability.
The question is no longer if we can, but rather if we should. You know, maybe someday with genetic engineering, everyone can be as multi-talented and, dare I say it, perfect as me.
How you gonna be artificially made and still ugly?